Hi programmers. So let's understand why interfaces are very important in our large projects. And I believe personally that this is one of the most important concepts in object-oriented world. And let's directly dive into the example, like why we use the interfaces and how we can rely and check easily via this example. And let's start. Okay, you might be wondering that why did I open the Tata Motors as a homepage over here, like directly on the screen. So the thing is that I want you to understand that, for example, if the Tata Motor company wants to build a number of models repetitively every year, so definitely they don't go to different departments and they start building from the scratch. So they just go to the specific department and ask for, like, okay, this door I wanted the tires and everything on the by going to different departments, I would say. So if, for example, if I open one of the models over here like Tata Safari and Punch, so you might be wondering, or you can easily check over here that those overview, prices, features, persona, colors, and everything over here will remain constant throughout all the models, so that in future, if the new model comes up, they just need to map the data and pass the data directly there, so that everything will be mapped. So if I go back to the specification and check specification of Tata Punch, and then you can see, okay, I have engine with type, fuel, and capacity. Okay, that's good. Now if I go to features, if feature will find, okay, I have bold design and I have something touch screen and all those things, right? Now if I go to the Tata Safari, yes, I have engine as well. So yes, I have the features, everything. So you might be you can easily check over here, like specification and features were being repeated every time. Okay, so to add this thing in your code, in your program language, you don't have to repeat your code every time. So let's start how it works. So basically, this is the Tata Motor company, for example. They wanted to build a car. So this could be a car department. They just go to the feature specific shop into their car company and say, hey, give me the features, like for example, what features they have. Okay, they have sunroof open, and then beautiful glasses and everything. All those features will be taken from that shop, that is interfaces, where that shop, just all those features will be just declared. Same goes for engine, or the capacity, fuel capacity, everything will be different. Okay, inside the code, if I go back, I have already mentioned those three parameters for engine as an interface. Same goes for features, three parameters as an interface. Just I'm declaring, I'm not writing anything else. So those things will be used in a car department, which is this one. So I'm asking the car class, okay, implements those two features, that is interfaces, so that as soon as we add those interfaces, this car will ask, okay, I'm gonna take all the parameters inside this car class. So for example, if I go back and see the capacity is number inside the engine, and we already added this capacity as an engine. If I take this out and see, like, it will tell you, hey, class car incorrectly implements interface engine. So we have to add the capacity type over here. As soon as I add this one, this error will go away. Now, nothing fancy. I just added that. I just implemented those parameters inside this car class and a constructor. That's it. Now I'm instantiating the classes over here inside the company. So like, okay, I've got my structure ready. Now any company can build any number of cars. For example, the Tata company wants to build car with the Harrier, Punch, and everything. So they just need to pass those parameters which we declare over here, the fuel and fuel efficiency, capacity, and everything. So the fuel is petrol type, and the fuel capacity, fuel efficiency and capacity, fuel efficiency, capacity, and what is the safety type, design, and everything will be mentioned over here. As soon as we ask for the new instance for that specific class, we'll get the new model of that class. I would say, yeah, model of the class, that is the new car. So I'm adding this one class. Okay, this one new model, one new car is added. Second car, that is Punch. Third is the Safari. And I'm gonna return all those cars in a list format inside this object. Same goes for the Toyota car. I'm just asking for the 3 new list of cars. Now inside the main class, we just need to add, okay, I've already got everything. I'm gonna go and test. Okay, hey, give me the Tata car which you just implemented. Okay, so if I go back and check how many cars have we got, so we got 2 cars, might be some typo, and let me run one more time, or the system problem. And yeah, so we have 3 cars over here. So 1, 2, sorry, not that one. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so what if I wanted the Toyota car? Let's see. Toyota car list. Toyota. And if I go and hit it, you will get Toyota car list over here. Yep, I just put the Toyota car names like CHR and RA, RAV4 and Fortuner over here. So as you can see, we are passing those things. So this is very, very important to structure the data and the company's data so that we can implement what we want to implement and keep our structure of the companies well mannered, and it's very helpful for the relational database as well as the NoSQL databases. I hope you like my video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.